Good morning, students. Welcome to another lecture. And in this lecture, I will discuss Ben Jonson's poem, My Lady in Love's Chariot. Okay. Basically, Ben Jonson was a dramatist, but he also composed poems. And you can say he was a contemporary of the great dramatist Shakespeare. Okay. This poem described in your syllabus, My Lady in Love's Chariot, has been prescribed from Ben Jonson's play The Devil is an Ass, which was published in 1616. It is a love poem in which matchless beauty of the lady love of the poet has beautifully been presented. The poet considers her beauty perfect and ideal. And as I told you, it is a love poem and it consists three stanzas. It is subjective in nature as it reflects the poet's intense joy in describing his beloved's beauty. This poem has, as I told you, this poem has three stanzas. Okay. So the first stanza is see the chariot, chariot rath. At hand, close, near, pass me. Here of love, love, Cupid, god of love. When in my lady rideth, lady love, उसकी प्रेमिका rideth, ride. See the chariot. The poet is pointing towards the chariot. पोइट जो है वो उस चैरियट की रथ की तरफ इशारा कर रहा है. कहाँ है? एट हैंड, जो बिल्कुल पास में ही है. हियर ऑफ लव विच इज गाइडेड बाय लव. लव का है. वी आर इन विच द चैरियट इन विच माई लेडी राइडेथ, द चैरियट इन विच माई लेडी लव इज राइडिंग. वो रथ जो पास में ही है, उस चैरियट में उसकी जो ब्लविड है, वो ब्लविड उसकी राइड कर रही है. द लेडी लव इज राइडिंग इन द सेम चैरियट. ईच दैट ड्रॉस इज अ स्वान और अ डव. यस. It is not an ordinary chariot drawn by horses. Mark the words, notice the words, swan or dove. Yes, normally chariots are driven by horses. But this chariot is drawn by either swan or dove. Each that draws, yes, is a swan or a dove. It is a beautiful chariot. It is not an ordinary chariot. And that is why it is drawn either by swan or a dove. And well the car love guideth. Yes, and well the car, chariot. And the chariot is moving under the influence of Cupid, god of love. God of love, Cupid is guiding the chariot. Yes, and as she goes, her beloved, her lady love. And as she goes, as she moves, as the chariot in which she is riding moves, क्या होता है? All hearts do duty. Yes, duty. Poet thinks that she is so beautiful, इतनी सुंदर है कि हर देखने वाले की ये उसके प्रति रेस्पेक्ट शो करना ड्यूटी है. And that is why what the poet says, as she goes, as hearts, all hearts do duty. All hearts, all the people. और जैसे ही वो मूव करती है, all the viewers, all the beholders do what is due from their side. Duty unto her beauty. क्यों? Yes. क्यों? Because she is so beautiful. And they are paying their respect. They are praising her matchless beauty. And enamored, attracted, loved. जैसे ही वो उसे देखते हैं व्यूअर्स या इनेमर्ड, वो उसकी तरफ आकर्षित हो जाते हैं. डू विश. यस, जैसे ही देखते हैं तुरंत इनकी इच्छा होती है क्या? सो दे माइट बट एंजॉय सच ए साइट. यस 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 यस, दैट दे कैन एंजॉय सच ए साइट. सच ए sight of her beauty. They are looking at her, they are seeing her beauty, and they wish to continue to see it. तो देखते रहें. That they still were to run by her side. Yes. And they still were to run by her side. Yes. But they wish to accompany her wherever she goes, so that they can see her beauty, so that they can enjoy her beauty through swords, yes, through seas, through swords battlefield. वो जहाँ भी वो जाती है, अगर वो युद्ध की बैटलफील्ड में जाती है तो वो वहाँ भी उसके साथ जाना चाहेंगे. थ्रू सीज, अगर वो समुद्र की यात्रा पे जाती है, वॉइस पे जाती है, वो वहां भी उसके साथ जाना चाहेंगे. Whither she would ride. Yes, wherever, in which direction she moves, in which direction, wherever her chariot goes, they would like to go after her. Thank you.